Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the question pattern 2 from mechanical waves. In the last video I have done the pattern number 1 and I have given all the formulas and terms in that video. So let's solve the second type of question from old is gold, and let's read the question. Question number 37. What is the difference between the speed of longitudinal waves in air at 27 degrees Celsius and at minus 13 degrees Celsius? What is the speed at 0 degrees Celsius? So let's solve. Solution given. Solution and given. So let's write the given things. First of all, here is given temperature. There are two temperatures, okay, in the first question, 27 degrees Celsius and minus 13 degrees Celsius. So let us suppose T1, temperature T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. We have to convert it into Kelvin. So it becomes 27 plus 273, 300 Kelvin. Similarly, T2 is also given. T2 is minus 13 degrees Celsius. We can write it, same formula, 13 plus 273. It becomes 260 Kelvin. Clear? So what we have been asked, difference between speed of longitudinal waves. In these two temperatures, we have been asked the difference between the velocity. So let us suppose V1 minus V2 equals to what? Number 1 is here and number 2 is given there, velocity at 0 degrees Celsius. Velocity at 0 degrees Celsius equals to what? So these are the asked questions. Now let's solve. Okay, first of all, it will be very easy if we can find the velocity at 0 degrees Celsius because it is independent with the first question. So we have, let us suppose V0 equals to, we have formula gamma P upon rho. This is the simple formula and we can put the values and find the answer. Gamma's value is 1.4, pressure is 1.01, 10 to the power 5, rho is 1.29, or you can write 1.293 also, under root. So let's calculate. Its value comes 331.077. 331.077 meter per second. So this is the answer for, this is the answer, 331.077 meter per second. Now let's go for the first question. Look, the first question is very different and it is unusual question. So we have a special formula for this question. So let's solve. Okay, now for first question. Now V1 minus V2, because we are not given a single velocity also. So in this case we can directly apply the formula gamma R T1 upon mu for V1, and for V2 we can apply gamma R T2 upon mu. So this is the formula. You have to remember this formula. Okay, so let's put the values and get the answer. Gamma is 1.4, R is 8.314, temperature T1 is 300 upon what is the value of mu. So just remember the value. In board examinations it will be already given. Mu is 28.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 under minus, here also same, 1.4 into 8.314 into 260 divided by 28.8, 10 to the power minus 3. So These are the values. So let's calculate. Okay, let's calculate. Its value comes 24.04 meter per second. 24.04 meter per second. So this is the answer. Let me show you from the first, and let me explain once again. Okay, t1 is given, t2 is given. We have to find the difference between the velocities. So v1 minus v2 equals to what? Velocity at 0 degree Celsius is equals to what? Because velocity at 0 degree Celsius is independent with the first question. Okay, so independent with the first question, so we can directly calculate its value. That comes 331.077 meter per second. And the second question is quite difficult, and if you know the formula, it is very easy. Okay, gamma rt1 upon mu minus gamma rt2 upon mu. So let's put the values and get the answer. In book it is given 23.96 meter per second, but it is okay because if we round off that answer, it will become like this. So guys, again, there are many types of questions left in this chapter because the numericals are very important from this chapter, and long questions are also important. So just practice and you will get the good marks in examination. Okay guys, so till then, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications, because whenever I upload my videos, you will get the notification and you will get to watch the new videos and new type of questions from this chapter and other chapters. Thank you guys. Bye bye.